Hey everyone, welcome back into weather for a Monday night on the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you, and we're going to be talking about that storm in just a little bit. Real quickly, we'll get our photograph and show you our photograph today. This one was sent in by Trent Berklid, and the flowers say hello to winter. That's all that snow that fell last week, and the flowers still hanging around. They're going to be covered tomorrow because this is a very big snow situation we have developing right now. Real quickly, our numbers look like this. Today's high was 49. The low last night, 31. The record high, 69 in 1934. Record low, 11 in 1909. Sunrise and sunset about 11 hours and 52 minutes, a loss of 6 minutes. And again, a winter storm warning is in effect for late tonight, right on through late Tuesday. 6 to 12 inches of snow for the Fairbanks and Delta regions, 14 to 20 inches of snow for Healy, and of course travel will be difficult. We'll keep you advised on that. Our latest satellite and radar, you can see all the flow of moisture coming up from the southwest, continuing to feed in. This is what's called a low pressure trough. It's a big dent in the atmosphere, helping to bring cold air down from the north and helping that to mix with the warmer, moist air coming in from the south. As this area moves in over the interior, the cold air will once again be taking place, but the area of low pressure will be developing around the Prince William Sound area right about here. That's already starting to see signs of that coming up, and that will help to spin moisture over the top of us like we were talking about earlier and give us a really good opportunity for lots of snow. Our latest radar, as you can see, again, a lot of moisture moving up from the southwest, continuing to flow across the Fairbanks area. There's the cooler air out to the west starting to work its way in, and they're all going to come together later on tonight, early tomorrow morning, to give us that heavy snowfall. Elsewhere across the state, over southeast Alaska, the rain is falling there quite heavily. Temperatures in the low 50s. It's nice in Anchorage right now, but that'll be changing rapidly too. Showers around Kodiak, also showers along the Aleutian chain, up and down the west coast. Temperatures cooling down, 36 degrees at Nome for the high there, 30 degrees at Barrow with cloudy skies also at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather looks like this, lots of sunshine over the Pacific Northwest, and again, temperatures over the 100-degree mark for Las Vegas and Phoenix. A nice day in Denver, 80 degrees there. Warm temperatures again around Texas, 90 degrees at Dallas. Not too bad in Minneapolis. Thunderstorms rumbling all over the deep south, and that's all in response to an area of low pressure that's sitting across the Gulf of Mexico, helping to bring all that rain into the area. Also rain over the northeast and thunderstorms over the southeast. And here's that area of low pressure. You can see it really winding up, counterclockwise flow, bringing all that moisture off the Gulf of Mexico and training it across much of the southeast, bringing them lots of thunderstorm activity. Things are still pretty dry and, for the most part, cloud-free all over the Pacific Northwest, some showers across the deep south. Now, the heaviest rainfall tonight will be, once again, as you can see, right on through Wednesday, a big band of heavy rainfall up to 3 inches in some areas, stretching from right around the Cincinnati area all the way up to the northeast across Bangor, Maine. And the overall jet stream is really taking some wild dives and ups and downs, as you can see here, really going strange. And then everywhere you see it bottom out and then come back up again is an area where they're going to have rain and very heavy moisture, and that'll be moving also across the eastern half of the country. Well, once again, it's time for our kids' weather. The kids were off from school today, so we're going to give you a weather fact. 1988, Kansas City, Kansas had so much rain that fell in a 4-hour period. Cars were stranded in 6 feet of water. And as always, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And we'll pick it back up again tomorrow with we'll spend some rest of the week with the class from Barnett Magnet School. We look forward to that. So our forecast for the rest of the state looks like this. Over the northern sections, partly cloudy in Barrow and Nome, 4 to 12 inches of snow expected for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, again, looking at lots of snow, 6 to 12 inches for Fairbanks and Delta, 14 to 20 inches in the Healy region. Over southeast Alaska, very heavy rain expected from Juneau right on down through Ketchikan. Over the southwest part of the state, looks like showers for Cold Bay and Kodiak, mixed showers for Bethel. And over the south central regions, again, looking at a lot of rain and snow, actually snow becoming about 2 inches for the Anchorage Bull area, with rain and snow at Homer and heavy rain for Valdez. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, again, we're looking at snow developing by early morning, heavy at times, 32 degrees, the overnight low. Tomorrow, heavy snow throughout the day, 6 to 12 inches, and the extended forecast to see temperatures slowly warming back up slightly by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, even into Sunday. And again, the snow should be tapering off by Wednesday, but until then, it looks like it's going to be really, really ugly.